Welcome to Marking with Candlesticks. So today we are going to discuss how to invest in a particular index in stock market. So the word invest means the video is for investor, it doesn't for traders. So traders don't watch this video. So before that, please subscribe our Insta account so that you can get the screenshot whatever we are going to discuss in the particular video today, and the link is given in the description box. So today we are going to discuss how to invest in a particular index in stock market. So the tools we are using is Microsoft Word, Excel and Stock Edge app, and Google also. So Stock Edge app is open. How to find a particular index? Here we can get index that is called Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Nifty Mid Cap, Nifty Small Cap, Nifty VIX, Nifty IT, Pharma, PSU, PSE, CPSE, Realty, Auto, FMCG, Energy, Infra, Metal, Nifty Next 50 and Nifty Media. So the first thing is that we should know like which index is performing in the last 1 month or last 6 months, 1 year, 2 year or 5 year. First we will go to 5 year. If you are an investor, you see the last 5 year, obviously Nifty 50, it's the major index. Next is Nifty Bank, it's showing, and we will go to the gainers. You see 5 year Nifty Metal is performing well. Like last 5 year Nifty Metal has a change of 165%. The next is Nifty IT 132%, then Nifty Finance 125%, Nifty Energy is 124%, like that. Nifty Bank 90. And who last 5 years which sector is in loser? You can see Nifty Media and Nifty PSU Bank. So you can know, like if I have a long-term investment plan, we should not invest in media's company. Nifty Media company means which companies these are? You see those stocks which form this Nifty Media is Sun TV, Z Entertainment, PVR, TV8 Broadcasting, Network 18, INX Pleasure, Dish TV and all. So please avoid these Nifty Media stocks. Then we'll go for the gainers. In gainers, the number one is coming Nifty Metal, and as in 2020 there was a very sharp fall in stock market. So we'll go for last 1 year performance, means from last May or April onwards till now which sector is performing well. Definitely it will be Nifty Media, which is in the gainer column. You see that is Nifty Metal, sorry, Nifty Metal has 196%. So first we'll go for Nifty Metal, and in Nifty Metal, so we'll write it down in the Excel, Nifty Metal, and it is for investors. So the view will be for 1 year, minimum is 1 year, maximum will be 4 year, 5 year or 3 year, like that. And two stocks in my choice is from Nifty Metal is, you see the gainer, there is JSW Steel, Tata Steel, Adani Enterprise, Hindustan Zinc, Vedanta, Coal India. So my choice will be Coal India, which is a PSU company, and another is Tata Steel, because Tata Steel already performed well. So Tata Steel, and one I am taking on Coal India, which is a PSU company. There is a chance that Coal India can perform. Coal India PSU I have written, and 1 year performance of these indices is around 196%. Then the second one is, first I will write it down 4 to 5 sector index which are performing well. Then from there I will tell you that which index right now has a potential that so it will grow or it will perform in near future. So the next one is, again we'll go back, and next you can see after metal the next one is Nifty Small Cap 50. So Nifty Small Cap 50 and Nifty Small Cap 100. So first we'll go for Nifty Small Cap 50, and stocks which are performing is Alkyl Amines, Apollo Tubes, Indian Bank, Kazaria Ceramic, all. And which is the gainer? Like if you see 1 year, Chambal for yes, Alkyls Aminase and Apollo Tubes, Fast Source Solution, Aarti Drugs, IDFC, Affle India, and Graphite India, Signed, Central Depository. So from here, the two companies which I am going to find is, one is Affle India, which is a IT company, another CDSL, which is a unique business, Central Depository Limited. Like our stock, whatever we are purchasing in dematerialized form, this is running through CDSL, and there is a news that NSDL is also going to be listed. So already Affle India has performed well, 1 year you can see, but this business is very unique with 300%. So I'll go for my second will be Nifty small cap 50. So one stock will be Affle India, and second one will be CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited. Okay, the next indices I am going to talk is small cap 100 is there. Before Nifty small cap 100, I am going to show you Nifty commodities is there. Whether we will see any stock is listed in here. Yes, commodities, you see Nifty commodities, Reliance is there, Ultratech Cement, JSW Steel, Adani Green Energy, Oil Natural Gas Corporation, Tata Steel, Hindustan Zinc, means all the, again that all the metal stocks are there, so we can avoid this one. The next one will be yeah, you can see Nifty small cap 50, then we'll go for Nifty mid cap 50. Mid cap means gainers will be 1 year. Steel Authority of India, SAIL, already performed well, 351% already increase. Jindal Steel is there, Chola Finance is there, Tata Power is there, and Tata Power also performed well. IDFC First Bank, Mindtree, Coforge, Bharat Heavy Electronics, Cummins, Bharat Forge, Ashok Leyland, AU Small Financial Bank, Bharat Electronics. So that will be my choice of stock will be Bharat Electronics, which is a PSU company, and another will be Federal Bank is there, SF, Canara, Ramco Cement, LIC Housing, Container Corporation of India, and Concor. These two stock, one is Concor and another is Bharat Electronics, BEL. So this is Nifty mid cap 50. BEL and Concor. There is a news that Concor is going to be privatized, and the total index, total performance we can get from here itself. Nifty mid cap 100, it is performed. Mid cap 100 is there, I am telling mid cap 50, that is performed 87%. Okay, 87%. And Nifty small cap 50, Nifty small cap 50 is performed 134%. Okay, then next we'll go is, yeah, here we can find it out. One is Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty Realty, Nifty Auto, Nifty Bank. You see all have performed well, and I am going to give you my stock choice. Nifty PSU Bank. From Nifty PSU Bank, there will be State Bank of India, but State Bank of India, in my knowledge, already has a resistance of near around 400. If it cross only, we can go. You see Bank of Maharashtra and all these companies, but in my choice, Bank of Baroda is one bank which has a potential to grow, and another bank is which has a very less UCO central banks. Only one stock I am going to give you, that is Bank of Baroda, because Bank of Baroda has a potential to grow more. So Nifty PSU Bank, stock is SBIN, sorry, Bank of Baroda, and 1 year total this index performance is 82%. Okay, then next another is Nifty PSU Bank, then Nifty Realty. Nifty Realty means real estate stock. Normally right now, to see this COVID situation and all, I will tell please avoid this sector, Nifty Realty, because there is no chance Godrej property is there, Oberoi Realty is there, but I will suggest you to please avoid this sector. So Nifty Realty in my avoid zone. There is a chance also that the stocks they can go, but my sincere will be in red mark. Please avoid it. And the whatever I am telling here, before investing all these stocks, please consult your financial advisor. For your profit or loss, whatever you are making, we are not responsible. You have to do your you have to do your research, and you have to go through all the stock before investing in the stock market. And next will be PSU Realty Auto. Yes, Nifty Realty, even Nifty Auto also I am telling you avoid. Because I don't see that much performance in Nifty Auto. Tata Motors already performed, it's okay, but I don't think so Nifty Auto right now is the necessity of people. Nifty Auto also I am going for avoid. Again avoid. Finally we are going to tell which index there is a chance of more potential that it will go more. After Nifty, there is a sector called Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank, already you know, Nifty Bank and Nifty 50 we used to do option trading. So Nifty Bank, this sector also I am telling avoid. Nifty Bank also, because my view is for 1 to 3 year, I am telling avoid Nifty Bank also. I don't want yearly performance, okay, we'll put it here, but please avoid this. Nifty service sector, we have to check whether in Nifty service sector any stock is there. Yes, okay, Nifty service sector, there is TCS is there, HDFC Bank is there, Infosys, HDFC Limited, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank. So this is a mixture index. We will not go for that one. Nifty's finance, private bank, Nifty 200, Nifty 50. Yes, this is the sector I just want to focus. There is a Nifty Infra is also there, infrastructure, the same reality I am telling. Nifty Infra, there is a chance Nifty Infra also, like infrastructure is happening, but to see this COVID situation and all, I don't think that there will be that much infrastructure built up in India. In hospitalities, in this medical sector, infrastructure can possible, but other place I don't think so. So these four structure right place I just want to focus, that is Nifty Pharma, Nifty Energy, CPSE, Consumption, Media, MNC and FMCG. From here I am going to pick first Nifty Pharma. This is the sector, and PSC. PSC means Public Sector Enterprise. This are the sector which will be in focus for coming 1 year or 2 year. One is Public Sector Enterprise, but there is a chance government is going to decentralize, government is going to liquidate its stake in these PSC companies. So in PSC, Power Grid, ONGC, all those NTPC, Bharat Petroleum, Oil India Corporation, Coal India, already Coal India I have told you, GAIL is there, NMDC, Steel Authority, Hindustan Petroleum, so Bharat Petroleum is there. So my first choice from Nifty PSC, already Coal India I have told, will be one is HPCL, that is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, and another is Nalco, already performed. REC is a dividend oriented. Mostly the stocks are dividend oriented. Container Corporation already I told you. So HPCL definitely. Apart from HPCL, NTPC, Power Grid Corporation of India, you can go for Power Grid Corporation of India, because this is a Power Grid Corporation. If you see, and its technical chart also, Power Grid Corporation give you a yearly around 20 to 25% return, and this is one of the company which is a unique business in India right now also, which is listed in stock market. So Power Grid, and another is HPCL. So Nifty PSC, one is Power Grid, and that okay, here itself, what is its performance? Nifty PSC, Nifty PSC Nifty PSC 51%. But why I am recommending this sector is that this sector has a potential less downside risk as compared to other sector. Okay, so Metal, Affle India, and then you are coming Nifty Pharma. Pharma already right now in a boom. Still Pharma has a lot of potential. The number one company in Pharma which I am going to recommend is Sun Pharma, and Divi's Laboratory people used to tell, but apart from Divi's Laboratory, Lupin is there, so many companies there, but we should focus on some whatever listed. Alkem Laboratories is there, and Sun Pharma is the one, and the second one is Alkem Laboratories, because if you see the gainer portion, Cadila in 1 year, Alkem Laboratories has 80% return. Still Alkem Laboratory has a potential to grow more. 5 year if you see also, Divi's Laboratories 100%, people will use to Alkem, you see Alkem Laboratories 152%. So already Divi's Laboratories has performed well, or it will perform. Still I have a focus mostly will be on Sun Pharma, and another will be your Alkem Laboratories. So Nifty Pharma, Alkem. Okay, Next will be Nifty Pharma. After that, Nifty Consumption, Media and FMCG. You see, in Nifty Consumption, if you go, there will be stocks which belong to different sector, like Hindustan Unilever is there, Bharti Airtel is there, Asian Paint is there, which is a paint based company, Bharti Airtel is a telecommunication. So consumption and FMCG both will be a like combination stock. Some companies will be in consumption, those are also in FMCG stock will be here. So in consumption, if you ask me which is the best company, definitely in consumption one company is there, Bharti Airtel and Asian Paint. Asian Paint has a very growth potential. ITC is also there, ITC also good, but the return is not that much. And you see Godrej Consumer is there, recently gone like 20% in a day. Interglobal, Hebels is there, Marico is there, Tata Consumption, Info Edge is there, Apollo Hospital is there. So Colgate Palmolive is there, United Spirits, Jubilant, Ford, Voltas. So there are so many companies in this consumption. So from here I am going to pick which is the best sector for my knowledge is consumption and FMCG. One will be Bharti Airtel, another will be your ITC. Okay, don't take ITC, Bharti Airtel, and second one will be your like from Hebels India and Info Edge and Apollo Hospital, these four. Airtel, Hebels, Info Edge, so Info Edge and Apollo Hospital. And 11 is Nifty FMCG. In FMCG, Colgate is there, but it's not that much, Nifty MNC is there, Media is there. Okay, MNC, let's go for MNC. I don't think so any stock will be there. Oh, okay, MNC, Hindustan Unilever, Maruti Suzuki, Nestle, Vedanta, Britannia. Okay, it's not that much important. We'll go for another, which is IT. I forgot that. I am going to FMCG stocks. Hindustan Unilever, ITC, gainers. If you see in 1 year, we'll go for gainers in 1 year. You see in gainers, Imami is the gainer, number one. Tata Consumer Products is there, like with the merging of Starbucks, Jubilant Foodworks, Domino's Pizza, Varun Beverage, Godrej Consumer. So here, United Spirits, Nestle, Britannia, Colgate. So as per my choice, you should always go for Hindustan Unilever, and another company is Varun Beverage, which is PepsiCo, because this is a very unique business which is listed in India. Varun Beverage has a competitor of this one, Westlife Corporation, which is the sole company of McD and Burger King right now. So PepsiCo, Varun Beverage. So HUL, Hindustan Unilever and Varun. So this is the stock, and last will be Nifty IT. Nifty IT. In Nifty IT, I have to search where is called Nifty IT. I don't think there is a index is called Nifty IT. FMCG has only 29% growth. So for that reason I am telling you FMCG, it has only 29% growth. So right now as sectoral rotation, there is a chance that this one will grow. And Nifty Pharma Energy is there. Where is it? FMCG, then Nifty FMCG consumption has 39%. Okay, Nifty Pharma has 52%, 51% again. And Nifty Bank, why I am not giving you performance, because I am telling this avoid. And IT, just I am searching where is Nifty IT. Without Nifty IT, is there Nifty IT. You see there are so many stock you will tell for TCS and all, but obviously we'll go. You see Wipro is the Wipro, Mindtree, Coforge, Emphasis, Larsen and Toubro, Infotech, Infosys, HPCL, Oracle Financial Services. These are 1 year gainers. So you will be surprised like what happened to TCS and all. In Nifty IT, TCS and all is there, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra and all. But we will go for a company which is newly formed. One is Larsen and Toubro Infotech, LTI you used to tell, and another company which will be performing very well, that is none other than TCS. Not go for Infosys, because sometimes in some 3 years back or 2 years back there is a auditor, some issue came. So TCS is the company, and there is a thing that they are going to fully digital their workforce, work from home by 2024. So go for TCS, and another is LTI, Larsen and Toubro Infotech. And that performance of Nifty IT is around 93%. So TCS and LTI, Larsen and Toubro Infotech. So again we are going to recap, this is the serial number 12 index. We have find it out. From there is a 2 stock in my choice and 1 year performance. If you seek performance wise, Nifty Metal is high, Nifty Small Cap, Nifty Mid Cap, Nifty PSU all performed. But which sector is my favorite, which sector there is a chance that it can go more? One is always Nifty IT, because of this work from home culture. Second one is Nifty FMCG and Nifty consumption based. I am not going for Nifty Pharma. Nifty Pharma is okay, the rating will be 4, but the 5-star rating will be for Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG and Nifty consumption. Consumption 4 stock I have given: Airtel, Havels, Info Edge and Apollo. And if you are a conservative investor, you want to save your money, go for this one, Nifty PSE. That I am marking, this one. So we close our box. Okay, so this is the box, and this screenshot I am going to share in my Insta account. So like this we have to find it out, the sector index and the stocks which are there, and we have to see their performance. From performance only we can able to know which sector is performing well. And it doesn't mean if metal has performed well means metal will not perform well, but there is a possibility that once it has performed in a year 200%, so next 2 or 3 year there will be very less performance. So it's better diversify your portfolio. Like every index you pick 2 stocks and invest in there. And Nifty consumption, which is the 40%, but on an average always it gives 40%, and Nifty FMCG and Nifty IT, try to invest more stock in those counter so that you will be benefited a lot. But Nifty Realty, Nifty Auto and Nifty Bank, to see India situation, that is a I'll suggest for avoid. Okay, so before that, again please subscribe our Insta account so that you can get this screenshot. Yesterday also video, whatever I have, yesterday video was regarding okay those IPO companies which have listed, what are their performance pre and post listing. That screenshot also available in Insta account, so please subscribe that Insta account so that you get the screenshot of today's, where is that one, okay, today's discussion. Okay, thanks.